Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered why the moon changes shape from one night to the next? This is all due to the moon's phases, a predictable sequence that has intrigued humanity for thousands of years. But why does the moon have phases? The secret lies in the intricate dance between the Earth, the moon, and the sun. First, let's consider the moon's orbit. The moon revolves around Earth roughly every 29.5 days, and this journey is what creates its phases. Everyone knows the moon doesn't emit its own light, right? Instead, it reflects light from the sun. As the moon orbits Earth, different portions of its sunlight side become visible from our perspective here on Earth, causing the familiar phases we observe. Imagine the moon's orbit as a giant circle with Earth at the center. When the moon is positioned between the Earth and the sun, its sunlit side is facing away from us. We call this a new moon, a phase where the moon is invisible against the backdrop of the sky. As the moon continues its journey, it reaches its first quarter phase. This is when half of the moon's sunlit side is visible to us, creating a perfect half-moon shape. The next major milestone is the full moon. During this phase, the Earth is between the moon and the sun. The entire sunlit side of the moon faces Earth, appearing as a large glowing orb in the night sky. After the full moon, the phases begin to wane, moving back towards the new moon. The last quarter phase again shows half of the moon, but this time it's the opposite side compared to the first quarter. So what about those crescent and gibbous phases? These are simply transitions between the major phases. A waxing crescent appears just after the new moon, when just a sliver of the moon becomes visible. A waxing gibbous follows the first quarter as more than half of the moon is illuminated. Conversely, a waning gibbous occurs after a full moon as the illumination decreases, and a waning crescent appears before returning to new moon. Understanding this cycle helps us appreciate the delicate balance of celestial movements that result in the moon's changing appearance. Thank you for exploring the lunar phases with us today. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to click the bell to get notified when new videos are available.